In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can run Accessibility Checker in Microsoft Excel to make your workbook as easy to read and consume as possible for somebody that may have a disability. To do this, you want to go to File, then from here you want to go to Info. And from here you want to click on Check for Issues, where you will see an option called Check Accessibility, where we check the workbook for content that people with disabilities might find difficult to read. Click on Check Accessibility, and here it will pop up with a list of things that someone with a disability might find difficult to read or use. So this is hard to read text contrast. So you can format the text contrast to be easy to read. If you're getting a highlight color, for example, it's easier to read. Media and illustrations. And as you can see, some of these things, all these categories are checked, but some of these things are like a light gray because it's not an issue in this workbook. Like a default sheet name, for example. You can change this as a default sheet name, which might make it difficult for somebody to understand. So you can rename the sheet if you want to, and so on and so forth, until your workbook is as easy to consume as possible for someone with a disability. It is also a good check to run to make sure that your workbook is as easy to read as possible for pretty much anybody in that matter. Because, for example, having a default sheet name by accident can make it difficult for somebody to understand what's going on in your workbook by whenever you send it to somebody. So you can also click on Settings to adjust settings related to Accessibility Checker in Excel. I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.